Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I will show you how to disable remixing for specific Instagram Reels video. If you want to stop people remixing your Reels video, then Instagram lets you turn off this feature for a certain video after sharing it on the app. Follow these steps and you will find out how you can do it. Log into your Instagram account and go to the profile page. Press on the Reels tab that is below your story highlights. After that, click on the Reels video in order to open it. Tap the three dots icon in the bottom right corner of the video screen. Choose the Disable Remixing option from the pop-up menu. Confirm by hitting Disable. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful, and now you will know how to disable remixing for specific Instagram Reels video. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.